Understanding swing fall in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into an interesting English phrase, swing fall. It's not your everyday expression, so understanding it can give you a unique edge in your language skills. Let's unpack its meaning and use together. The phrase, swing fall, actually comes from the world of physical activity, particularly from playgrounds and climbing. A swing fall refers to the arc or the path that a person or object takes when they fall while swinging. In everyday English, however, it can be used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone experiences a sudden and unexpected decline or setback, often after a period of improvement or success. Now, let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used. Literal usage: be careful when you're on the rope swing over the lake. You don't want a wide swing fall into the water. Metaphorical usage: after gaining popularity quickly, the new app had a swing fall due to privacy concerns. When you want to use swing fall in a sentence, think about the context. Is it a literal or figurative situation? Here's how you can use it. The acrobat practiced to avoid a dangerous swing fall during her performance. The politician's approval ratings experienced a swing fall after the debate. The concept of a swing fall can be expressed in different ways, such as taking a dip or hitting a snag. These variations can enrich your vocabulary and help you describe similar situations with a bit of variety. That's all on the phrase, swing fall. Remember, English is full of interesting phrases that can add color to your conversations. I hope this video helps you understand and use swing fall confidently. Keep practicing, and you'll be swinging through English with ease.